You can see like these two runners are finishing up their run. You can see their torches. So these two people are. They finished their slot. Priyanka Ajay, that's our support vehicle. And
Done. Finally done.
finally done. How does it feel?
So awesome. Really
This was
awesome.
cool, man. This is getting cool. Traffic is getting low, and they are full on supporting.
Very crazy, man.
Really crazy. Sweating in the night.
Yeah.
What was the toughest part of this stretch, this 6 kilometer stretch?
Yeah, full of traffic and the road is like full of bad conditions. So a little risky to run during
Down,
nights.
down. You have to see, like you have to
Actually, even risky to run in the mornings also. So
turn off the torch.
feeling happy to have completed.
Where is the other torch? Just turn off the torch. Will be like that. Battery will be dead. That's why I just tell you. Okay. Little bit. So what is the toughest part of this stretch?
Yeah, crazy elevations and crazy traffic, man.
Elevation and traffic. Traffic is there. But at least you had like support vehicle and
Yeah.
full on like on your trail like just.
Full on total support and thanks to the support team and all the
Will
running police
join.
members for the total support, guys. Thank you, guys. It's an awesome
So now it's the end of this thing. If he wants to continue as a support runner, he will be going again. Where is our second person? Where is our? Oh yeah, you are here again, back.
Yeah,
What do you have to say?
Only difficult part was the lights and the cobble road.
Road was not that nice because see, the thing is they have to run in the side, not on the tar road. So that is the thing.
And some places it was too sharp. Pin bends were there, so we had to stop because the buses were very close by.
Yeah, right.
Only
It's risky.
suggestion will be like run vertical, like
One behind the other
and
in a lane.
together. And yeah, these people were there right behind us, so they were giving us water and everything. So,
Nice.
so yeah, overall.
So she is done with her two stretch of this around 11. But she want to run again in the night or early morning slot now. So okay, so very good job
Thank you.
Priyanka and Ajay. And let's continue. And this is the team, but let's continue. I want to cover two more people. One is Sukriti and one is Prashant. So it's a very hard task to just on a trail for this kind of thing. So with the lights on and just like slow, like 6 kilometers, 7 kilometer per hour speed. So what you have to say about what is challenging?
Challenging is a very narrow road,
Huh.
too much of traffic, but I didn't expect this time this much of traffic.
This
But
time this
anyhow,
much
it
of
is hard to drive, but it's okay. We are supporting for our runners.
Huh.
It's for a cause. So
It's
I'm
the
happy,
family.
I'm happy that I'm
He's
inside this.
a very passionate runner also, but he's like sacrificing his run for.
Yeah, that is
supporting.
That is the only thing I'm missing.
But
I'll
I
start
am
at 12
okay.
o'clock.
So if we do not run and if we drive, because some people have to make the sacrifices, right?
Yes,
Vikas Saroha is watching. He said, "Great going, buddies. Thanks a lot, Vikas, and all the best 100." So anyway, a lot of people will be watching later on. So yes, so that a runner from a heart like sacrificing his run to support people driving on 6 kilometer per hour is challenging. But we want to run, and if he does not get a chance to run to Mysore, we will be running. I will be running with him 10 kilometers back from Mysore.
Yes,
Okay, now
done.
that is done because I'll be doing that.
Yes.
And we have Suvash in back. So Suvash in back. What do you have to say about Prashant? What is the worst thing about Prashant?
Nothing is worst. No, nothing is worst about him. He's a great companion to be
Worst, not good.
with. Worst यार कुछ worst
Sumana will
नहीं
tell.
है. This
Say.
is
Sumana will tell.
Sumana will tell. Sumana. What's worst
asking
about
something.
Prashant?
But she
Worst
was
thing,
not
worst
like
thing.
now with.
No, she know very well.
So anyways, I'll end this up because we'll continue. We are doing the runner switch. So keep going one more stretch. All the best. And so now next, moving on to the next runners who are doing warm up. I suppose these two people. And Vinny is Vivek. He likes to call himself Vinny. Or people his friends call him Vinny. So Vinny is there and Divakar is there. They have torch, but keep the additional lamps in the car if the torch battery dries down. Two lamps just give to Sukriti. So yeah, so we are going. Traffic is there. These people are there to support, and we will be there with the bus. We'll move on like all crew is there. We'll move on to. हाँ दो उनको देना है एक कार में रख दो है ना अगर कुछ होता है तो that is there we are going strong 30 kilometer this thing next stop would be 7 kilometer the car will be on the trail so that's it and yeah I guess that's it then that's it we'll just I'll run with them for a small stretch just hold once and so we are just going for. I'll just continue for a small stretch. It's middle of the night. Obviously, the good thing is the weather, and the bad thing is the traffic. And sometimes the road won't be cool. But if some runner is watching, feel free to join us for the next crazy ride. If some group, you have a group or something, try out something like this. Prepare, plan, and all. Try out something like this. All the best, guys. All the best. Try to be in single lane. So yeah, that's it. And it's amazing seeing the energy and everything, and everyone is full on in Josh. And these are the people, and like they'll be supporting with them driving slow just behind them. They'll catch up. And obviously this is the bus and all. Night time also it is like traffic, but you have to be very careful. And if a car is going behind you, then obviously it is very helpful. But I guess that's it, and we'll head out from here to the next 7 kilometer mark, where they'll stop for a while, and then they'll move on to next 7-8 kilometer mark. So 8-16 they'll finish, then we'll have runner change. So yeah, expecting to finish by around 12 or 1 tomorrow. We'll see. That's it.